let's sort of discuss the SEO content expert that you've done from Naukri Learning. And my first question to you is like just describe the SEO content expert course in brief. Like give me a brief overview of it.
So starting from the basics of keyword research, this course took me through the understanding of writing better copies, obviously with respect to SEO, and then helped me in the understanding of what's working and what's not working for my business.
Right. Okay. How much time did you have to dedicate, say per week? Were there any sessions that you needed to attend, or how much time was it like you spent in your self-study?
Yeah. So I think being a working professional, I could only spare an hour or two on the weekends for this course because obviously 9 hours of work shifts during the week. And then trust me, the kind of study material and the reference videos that were provided in the course, I don't think anybody would need more time than that.
Okay.
Plus, we also had weekly mentor sessions that actually helped a lot in better understanding of the concepts and problem solving.
Right. And how much time, what is the duration of the course?
So it took me approximately 2 to 3 months to complete the course. This actually happened because I was asked to submit 4 different live projects for the course, and I also received feedbacks on those live projects from the course mentor. So I guess the time was worth spending with respect to the learning that I received from.
Okay. Any prior level of knowledge or experience one needs to be able to take this course, or a beginner in SEO can also go ahead with it?
I think this course works well for both a beginner and both at experts level because there are a lot of new things that you get to learn from this particular course. And talking about any skill that somebody needs, I think a zeal to make your web pages rank better is the only requirement for this course. Okay. Another point that could be called as a minimum requirement could be a knowledge of good English.
So can you throw light on the curriculum? What were the syllabus components? What were the topics covered? Important topics, so to say.
So this course laid focus on various aspects like keyword research, mobile first indexing, then SEO reporting, then core web vitals, how to use various tools over the internet to understand the requirement for your content pages, or tools like SEO reporting tools and a lot more. And with each step, like after 2 to 3 modules, I got to do a live project, which actually helped me convert my theoretical learning into a practical experience.
Talk about this learning experience that you just threw a bit of light on a little more in detail. Like, what kind of resources did you get? What kind of support you were getting from the mentors or, from the coordinators?
And talking about the overall experience, I think it was less of a take and take and more of a give and take kind of course. So unlike all the other usual online courses that I've done in the past, this course made me sit, learn, understand, and most importantly, apply. It wasn't like I'm going to get a certificate of completion at the end of the course. After just finishing the course material, I was needed to make sure that I pass in all the projects to get the tag of an SEO expert.
Okay, so talk a little bit about the career impact that this course had on you, like especially in the way that you do your job.
Okay, so I think I would like to share an example here.
Okay.
So Google has recently updated its algorithm, its search algorithm, and it published an article around it where it was mentioned that going forward, there will be a high focus on core web vitals from this update onward. So until now, before this particular course, I was clueless about what a core web vital is. But one of the projects in this course was about page speed and core web vitals and how does these factors affect the ranking of a page on Google SEO. I would have completely missed this aspect in my content writing and my career part if I would have not done this course.
Okay, so how would you say, Mani, is this course different from other online courses that you have done? How was the experience different?
So I would say it was more of a classroom learning experience, but the pressure of actual classroom learning was not there. So I was able to learn at my own sweet pace. I was given 100% support by the course coordinator and the mentor in making the course work for me. So if there was a topic that I want more content on, I was actually able to reach out to my course coordinator and get more content around a particular topic if it was not covered in the particular course structure that was given to us. And while there was no pressure to complete a module in a small amount of time, I was given a deadline to submit each live project. So this combined, both deadline based yet self-paced based feature of this course makes it all the way more interesting. And I think this is something that also differentiates it from the courses available on other online platforms.
Okay, right. I think you've given a good insight into this course, and I'm pretty sure that it'll really help out someone who's looking for a good SEO course to do in future. So thank you so much, Mani, for your inputs, and it was great having you with us.